Amazon's early Black Friday deals are already live, and the discounts this year are absolutely huge. From kitchen gadgets to home essentials, tech innovations, and lifestyle upgrades, you can save anywhere from 40 to 70% on products designed to make life easier, smarter, and more enjoyable. Whether you're looking to streamline your morning routine, improve your home office, upgrade your kitchen, or find tools and gadgets that simply make daily tasks faster and more efficient, this is the perfect opportunity to do it all while keeping your budget in check. With so many categories covered, from cooking and fitness to travel, electronics, and home improvement, there's truly something for everyone. Stay with us until the end, because these deals won't last long, and all product links are conveniently listed in the description for quick access, letting you shop instantly without hunting around. Number 1. Bread Maker Machine. This versatile bread maker lets you bake fresh loaves, cakes, jams, yogurt, and even gluten-free recipes, all from the comfort of your kitchen. With 17 automatic programs and a large 2-pound capacity, it ensures perfectly baked bread every time. Quiet operation keeps your kitchen peaceful, while the 15-hour delay timer ensures you wake up or return home to fresh, warm bread. The Keep Warm function maintains the ideal temperature for up to an hour, perfect for leisurely breakfasts or snack prep. Imagine starting your day with the aroma of freshly baked bread, homemade jam, or warm yogurt, all ready at the touch of a button. It's a small appliance with big results, ideal for busy families, students, or anyone who loves homemade baking without the hassle. Number 2. Jasion EB5 Electric Bike. Ride effortlessly with this sleek, efficient e-bike designed for daily commuting or weekend adventures. Reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour, it features a clear display showing speed, distance, battery life, and pedal assist levels. Adjustable pedal assistance ensures a smooth, customizable ride, reducing strain on longer trips or hilly terrain. The removable battery allows for convenient charging anywhere, while durable tires and a sturdy frame ensure stability and longevity. Stylish, eco-friendly, and fun to ride, this e-bike is perfect for city commuters, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone looking to enjoy a cleaner, more efficient mode of transport while staying active. Number 3. Travel Backpack. Organize your essentials effortlessly with this lightweight, water-resistant backpack designed for everyday use or travel. Featuring a built-in USB port with an internal charging cable, it keeps your devices powered on the go, ensuring you're never caught with a dead phone or tablet. Multiple compartments and pockets neatly store laptops, tablets, books, clothes, and personal items, while a dedicated water bottle pocket adds convenience. Comfortable, adjustable straps reduce fatigue, and reinforced stitching ensures long-lasting use. Perfect for commuters, students, or travelers, it combines functionality, durability, and style, making it an indispensable companion for daily errands, office commutes, or adventurous trips. Number 4. Drywall Sander. Smooth walls, ceilings, and plaster surfaces quickly and efficiently with this powerful sander. Adjustable speeds allow for precision sanding on delicate or rough surfaces, while the built-in dust collection system keeps your workspace cleaner and safer. The extendable pole reaches high areas without the need for ladders, reducing strain and improving accessibility. LED lighting enhances visibility in dim corners, making it ideal for professional renovations or DIY home projects. Whether preparing walls for painting, refinishing ceilings, or working on large construction jobs, this sander ensures smooth, professional results with less effort and cleaner work areas. Number 5. WOLFBOX Mirror Dash Cam. Capture every drive in crisp detail with this dual-camera dash cam. The front camera records in 4K for ultra-clear footage, while the rear records in 1080p to cover blind spots and parking situations. A 12-inch mirror screen increases your viewing area for improved visibility, and GPS tracking allows route monitoring and accurate speed records. Wi-Fi connectivity lets you review footage through an app, while wide-angle lenses reduce blind spots, helping you stay safer on the road. Ideal for commuting, road trips, rideshare drivers, or anyone wanting peace of mind behind the wheel, this dash cam combines advanced technology with ease of use. Number 6. Sweetcrispy Recliner Chair. Relax in comfort with this ergonomic recliner designed for long hours of sitting, reading, gaming, or watching TV. PU leather upholstery is easy to clean, while plush cushioning supports your back, neck, and legs for extended comfort. Smooth swivel functionality and adjustable reclining positions allow you to find your perfect angle, while a sturdy metal base ensures stability and safety. Its stylish design complements modern living rooms, home offices, or gaming setups, making it more than just a chair. It's a personal relaxation zone for work breaks or leisure time. Number 7. Travel Steamer Iron. Keep clothes wrinkle-free wherever you go with this portable garment steamer. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits in suitcases or backpacks, making it perfect for travel. Rapid heat-up ensures ready-to-use steaming in seconds, while dual steam and dry settings handle delicate fabrics like silk or tougher materials like denim. An anti-drip design prevents water spots, protecting clothing while maintaining professional results. Ideal for travelers, business professionals, or anyone seeking wrinkle-free clothing without the bulk of traditional irons. This steamer ensures garments are smooth, crisp, and ready at all times. Number 8. Silonn Ice Maker. Enjoy fresh ice quickly with this portable ice maker that produces bullet-shaped cubes in as little as 6 minutes. With a daily capacity of 26 pounds and a 1.3-pound storage bin, it ensures you always have ice ready for drinks, parties, or cooling needs. The easy-to-use control panel simplifies operation, while the compact, lightweight design allows for portability around the home, office, or outdoor events. Perfect for entertaining guests, hosting barbecues, or keeping refreshments chilled, this ice maker combines efficiency, speed, and convenience in a small footprint. Number 9. Immersion Hand Blender Set. Blend, chop, and puree effortlessly with this 100W hand blender. Adjustable speed control provides precision from light mixing to full power blending, while detachable attachments make cleanup simple. The blade guard protects pots from scratches and reduces splashes, allowing safer and cleaner food preparation. Perfect for soups, smoothies, sauces, batters, and baby food, it's a versatile kitchen tool for everyday cooking or creative recipe experimentation. Compact yet powerful, it's ideal for any home chef looking to save time while maintaining professional quality results. Number 10. PULITUO Cordless Driver. This compact drill is ideal for DIY projects, furniture assembly, or home repairs. 2-speed modes allow precision for delicate tasks and high torque for tougher jobs. Rechargeable batteries provide uninterrupted operation, and the full kit includes a variety of bits for maximum versatility. Ergonomically designed, it fits comfortably in hand, reducing fatigue during extended use. Whether hanging shelves, assembling furniture, or tackling small repair projects, this cordless driver delivers consistent performance with convenient portability. Number 11. Titanium Cutting Board. Upgrade your kitchen prep with this dual-sided cutting board. One side features 99.9% food-grade titanium for slicing meats, while the other side uses BPA-free wheat straw for fruits and vegetables. Deep juice grooves prevent spills, keeping counters clean, and the dishwasher-safe design ensures easy cleanup. Lightweight yet durable, it withstands daily use, making it perfect for home kitchens, meal prep, or culinary enthusiasts seeking both functionality and safety. Its dual-material design allows optimal hygiene and convenience without sacrificing strength or portability. Number 12. Biometric Safe. Protect your valuables with this advanced smart safe, accessible via fingerprint, PIN code, or backup keys. An LED display provides information on time, temperature, and battery status. Dual-purpose design allows it to function as a wireless charging station for compatible phones and smartwatches, combining security with modern convenience. Durable and reliable, it's perfect for home or office use, safeguarding cash, documents, jewelry, electronics, or other valuable items while integrating seamlessly into your space. Number 13. Compressed Air Duster. Clean electronics, keyboards, desktops, and other delicate surfaces quickly and effectively with this powerful air duster. 3 airflow settings allow precision control for light or heavy cleaning tasks. Rechargeable batteries provide 20 to 40 minutes of operation per charge, and a Type-C port allows fast, convenient recharging. Lightweight, portable, and easy to handle, it's perfect for home offices, gaming setups, or electronics maintenance. Dust, crumbs, and debris are removed effortlessly, keeping workspaces tidy and electronics protected. Number 14. Cordless Leaf Blower. Keep your yard clean effortlessly with this lightweight, powerful blower. The cordless design allows easy maneuverability, while 2-speed modes provide control over airflow for light or heavy debris. Comes with 2 batteries and a fast charger to ensure extended operation without interruptions or overheating. Ideal for clearing leaves, grass clippings, or small debris, it's perfect for maintaining gardens, driveways, patios, or lawns efficiently and comfortably. Portable, reliable, and easy to handle, it's a must-have for seasonal cleanup. Number 15, Merach Rowing Machine. Achieve full-body workouts at home with this magnetic resistance rowing machine. Smooth, quiet operation allows exercise anytime without disturbing family or neighbors. The built-in display tracks distance, calories burned, speed, and heart rate, offering real-time feedback for effective workouts. Foldable design saves space when not in use, and a sturdy frame supports users up to 350 pounds. Perfect for home fitness enthusiasts, this rowing machine offers a low-impact, high-intensity cardiovascular workout that engages multiple muscle groups, improving strength, endurance, and overall health. And that wraps up the top 15 early Amazon Black Friday deals for 2025. Each of these products is designed to improve your home, lifestyle, and daily routines, all while saving you a significant amount of money. Check the links in the description to grab these deals before they disappear. And remember, stock is limited. If this roundup helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more hidden early Black Friday finds. Don't miss your chance to save big and upgrade your life with these top-rated essentials before the deals end.